munching on some cherries here. This is basically my lunch. I'm probably going to have leftovers tonight, so I didn't want to have a big lunch. I'm just going to wait till dinner. It's in the afternoon, and it has been hot as all get out. So right now, cherries, cold cherries are so nice. They taste so good. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I wanted to address exfoliation and the various ways that you can do things to your skin to exfoliate it gently, successfully, non-toxically, and non-abrasively, okay? And I'm going to read you some of the lines that I've got on my notes here. Let me bring that up. And I'll probably put the pictures that I'm talking about, you know, somewhere here on the side as I'm going through them, because I think it's easier just to have the pictures right next to me than to show you a teeny tiny little bottle. That way, you know, it's just easier. So let's get into it. So why should you exfoliate to begin with? Well, as we age and as we slow down in years, our skin turnover for the dead cells also slows down. It's not like young skin. Young skin, I mean, you scratch it or you get a little, you know, nick or this or that, and when it's very young, it just heals up. There's plenty of collagen, and you can hardly tell that anyone's had a scratch, and in 2-3 days it's gone. You know, older skin takes a while to recuperate. Everything is slowing down, and one of the things that slows down is the turnover on our skin cells. And to keep your skin youthful looking and young looking, you kind of have to help it along a little bit. Now, not in an abrasive way. You don't take, you know, a Brillo pad on your face and go scrubbing on it, but it does help to have some sort of way for your dead skin cells to kind of slough off, okay? And it could be mechanical or it could be chemical. So, excuse me, I think the cherries are backing up on me. I'm going to go ahead and go through some of the ones that I use. This is going to be a pretty quick video. You know, I'm not going to belabor all of it, but I wanted you guys to know what type of things I'm using and, you know, how I feel about it. The first thing, in no particular order, a Cure Brightening Scrub or the Oatmeal Scrub. Now, I've heard a lot of about the apricot scrubs. They're jagged. They have the peach or apricot seeds that they grind up. It's very jagged and it can ruin your skin. You shouldn't be using it. I have not used that in like years and years. I did use it when I was younger. I didn't know any better. I didn't have any ill effects, but a lot of people do have some ill effects because their skin is very sensitive, and A, they're very sensitive, and B, they overuse it. If you overuse exfoliating scrubs, you will pay the price for it. You should not be using it more than maybe once a week, once every 10 days. I don't overdo it. I use it probably about twice a month. That's just me. I don't feel that I need that much, and especially if you have breakouts or active breakouts, you have to be highly careful with agitating any of your breakouts, sebum production, or anything like that with scrubs. So, you know, be cautious. I'm not a dermatologist. Please ask, disclaimer, ask your dermatologist about any of these manual scrubs that you might want to try, okay? The one that I really like is the Cure Brightening Scrub. It's got some tar or something in it. It's very dark, and I think it's got some sugar in it because it does dissolve as you're scrubbing your face. It doesn't keep being abrasive. It actually almost blends in or melts into your skin, so I really like that. I really love the L'Oreal scrubs. They are also like a sugar-based scrub. There's one that has like a I don't know, like a chocolate coffee type of smell to it. It is divine. And then they also have one that's like a kiwi. It's like a green that has some kiwi seeds in it. Again, it just melts into your face as you're washing your face and doing the scrub. It's not harsh at all. I absolutely love it. So those are the two that I am using now. Let me make sure I get my notes here. Okay, number two would be a chemical type of peel. I personally like glycolic acid. There's lactic acid. There's all kinds of other acids around that you can use to get a good chemical peel. I have a video up. I think it just probably by the time this video's up, it will already have been up. It's the turmeric mask, and I show you guys how to use turmeric and how to use yogurt as one of the lactic acids. So yogurt has a lot of, that type of material in it that helps exfoliate your skin chemically. It's absolutely fabulous, fabulous mask. One of the best recipes for a do-it-yourself mask ever. Highly recommended. Again, if you have any allergies, you might want to discuss the fact of putting turmeric on your face, although it's a tiny, tiny little amount in this concoction, but you do want to probably ask your dermatologist if that's okay, given your skin, your skin sensitivity. I have been using it for years and years and years. It is absolutely a fabulous mask. You leave it on for about 20-25 minutes, wash it off, and your skin is baby tushy soft, baby tushy soft. Along with that mask, I use glycolic acid. I use the Pixie toner, which is glycolic acid based, and I use the open formula glycolic acid facial cleanser, which again is a wonderful cleanser. It does have glycolic acid in it, but it is not harsh. I can use that daily, and it is absolutely fabulous. No side effects, nothing. There are a number of facial washes that you can look to get that have a light chemical or acidy type of base to it that will gently exfoliate your skin without stripping it. That's the whole premise that you have to look at. Another one that's really good is by The Ordinary. I don't know the actual name of it, but I will put a picture over here. It's some sort of really high octane acid, and it's beet red. I mean, it's like red cherry juice, and a lot of people have put it on their skin and they swear by it. They say that it is absolutely fabulous. I have not tried that personally. I might order it one time and try it out. I could be wowed, sure, and if I am, I will definitely come up here and give you guys a report on it. But I have heard a lot of good things about it, and of course The Ordinary does have a lot of different acids also to try. So you might want to go up there and kind of read it and see if there's any one that you want to try. One of the ones that I really like is a mechanical scrubber. So we do have what do they call the sonic clarisonic ones that you can kind of like vibrate and it gets all the gunk out. Those are really good. Some people have success and some people don't with the mechanical brushes, the spin brushes. Again, be very careful with that, because if you do have active breakouts or acne, it could make it worse and spread some germs around. So you do want to again ask your dermatologist if that's a safe procedure for you to go through. The ones that are kind of like silicone based, they are more antibacterial, so they are easier for your face and maybe healthier for your face to do that. And the other thing that I have is a spatula kind of scrubber, and I have shown it on a previous video. It's a long, thin, mechanical machine. I'll put a picture over here, and it has like a curved metal hook type of thing. It's like a spatula, and then you just like put it all over your skin, and it sonically loosens the dirt, loosens everything in your pores, gets all the gunk out, and it also does a gentle exfoliation of your dead skin cells on top of your the top layer of your skin as it's doing its thing. That's something I use again about twice a month. I don't overdo it. You could dry your skin out if you overdo it. None of these things you should be doing a lot. I mean, none of them. Don't ever overdo, like, oh, if one time is good, then twice is better, and 5 times is even better than that. So, there's a peak at which these products and these mechanisms work very well, and then after that they go down in their effectiveness, and you're not going to gain anything by using it over and over again, using it more often, but you might irritate your skin. So you definitely want to check, with a professional as to how many times a week or how many times a month you should be using it. And any type of masking, peel off mask, you could get these at Walmart, you could get these at Target. They're usually in little packets, and you kind of like snip it off, and then they're gooey. You put it on your face, and then sit back, relax for about 15-20 minutes, and then literally take corners and start peeling it off of your face. I do have one video I did a bunch of months ago that I had one of these peel off masks, and honestly it hurt. I mean, you have to be careful with those peel off masks because they can be very, very harsh. And I have seen also other people using it on YouTube on videos where they are literally crying as they're peeling off the mask. It is so stuck on their skin, and it's like they're taking off a whole layer of their face, trying to get it off. You don't want to be irritated with your skin. You don't want it to hurt. You want your skin care to be a somewhat pleasurable routine, or you're never going to do it. So I would advise you to kind of look at different masking, peeling masks, and see which work and which don't for you, and just go with the ones that work. Go with the ones that are good for sensitive skin or anything like that. And you'll have a really beautiful skin doing that. So that is about it. I just wanted to again let you guys know about the exfoliating and what you should or shouldn't be using. And again, a little goes a long way. If you guys have any questions about any of my routines or any of the products that I showed you over here, leave it in the comments below. Please ask me any questions. I'm very good about responding in the comment box, so go ahead and do that. And just like I said, have fun with it, try new things, and if you find anything that you really like, I would love to hear from you guys and share it around to everybody. So leave the comments below and give me like a little mini review on the stuff that you have tried, whether it's a mechanical device or whether it's a it's a chemical peel of some sort or scrub. Let me know some of the brands that you guys use and what you like, and I might go out there and try it myself and give you guys a feedback on how it worked out. Okay, I love you guys very much. Thank you again for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up for this video and share it out to other friends and everybody that you know of that might be interested in this. And I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe and keeping out of the heat. It is hot as all get out here in Atlanta. It is just brutal. I'm not finding a lot of motivation to do much of anything right now except stay indoors and stay under the air conditioning, and that's all I'm doing. So yeah, that's it, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.